I want you to take a deep, relaxing breath. Not straining yourself, not forcing anything. Just settle comfortably. Make sure your feet are rested. Your back is comfortable. And on the next breath, take it deep in. And exhale slowly and completely all the way out until not a cell of oxygen is left in your body. Here we go. Now take another deep breath and scan your body as the breath is traveling from your feet all the way to the top of your head. Exhale from the top of your head into the ether. And now I want you to take deep breath from the top of your head and follow the breath through your body, through your chest, and exhale into the ground, past your feet, deep, deep into the Mother Earth. And from there, I want you to inhale the strength of the earth, the certainty every time you take a step of how firm, secure, reliable the earth under your feet is. And as you travel your breath and exhale out in the ether, and then inhale from outer space into your body, recharging every cell and every molecule in your body with the expansive array of possibilities and energy and sheer abundance. And that's right. Keep following your breath, not straining it, not making it harder, not stopping it. Your body knows what to do. Your body takes the energy of earth, the stable, reliable, and always there. And your heart, the steady rhythm of it, I want you to listen to it. That's right. It's always there. And the air around you is ever energizing. That's right. Breathe in as comfortable. And remember to exhale. I want you to be present and here and now. You're not late. The world can wait. The world beats at the same pace as your heart. It is always there. You are in the right place at the right time. Breathe in. Be very grateful to the steadiness of your heart, to the beautiful place that you are, your home. Wiggle your toes, wiggle your fingers, and come back to your presence, to the beautiful human being that you are. Say to yourself, I love you. Welcome back.